Good morning students. Today we are going to learn our new chapter number 6, that is algebraic expression. Now today we are going to start with our exercise 6.1. Now our question over here, it is being written in the algebraic exponents form and we have to convert it into product form. Now over here, question is over here, 8p square q raised to 4. Now 8 can be written as 2 into 4. This 4 can be again split as 2 into 2. So I can write it like this way as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Yes, okay. Now p square can be written as p into p. Q raised to 4 can be written as q into q into q into q. Okay. Now moving on to the second question, a raised to 3. A raised to 3 can be written as a into a into a. Now moving on to the second question, it is being written in the product form, we have to convert it in the exponents form. Now p is being written 20 times, so I can write it like this way as p raised to 20. 5, a is being written as 4 times, so I can write as 5 a raised to 4. Okay. Now moving on to the third question, in the algebraic expression you have to convert this question into algebraic expression. 8 more than a number x. See, 8 more than a number x. So x is my number, more sign of plus, number x more than a 8, subtracted, sign of subtraction from the product of p and q. Product means multiply, means p into, so x plus 8 minus p into q. Now moving on to the second question, 5 times a number. 5 times a number. I don't know a number, so it is my x times means multiply and 5. So 5 into x added means sign of addition to its cube. So number we don't know, so x cube. See a number is we don't know, so x times means multiply 5. So 5 into x, 5x added to its cube, number we don't know, so x cube. Now moving on to question number 4, factor 3. Now starting with the first question, minus x square plus 2xyz. We have to convert this into a factor tree. Now question is minus x square. So I will write it as, this number will be split as minus x square, okay, 2xyz. This plus sign got split in, plus was be combined with two numbers, two terms, it got split into two different terms. Now this x square, it can be split as minus 1 into x into x, x square, x into x. This minus sign got converted into as minus 1. Now over here 2xyz, 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by z. Now moving on to the second question, minus 4 plus 5x plus 4x square. So we are having two plus signs, so this number will be getting split into three numbers. So over here it will be getting split into a three numbers, minus 4, 5x, 4x square. Now minus 4 will be getting split as minus 1 into 2 into 2, because 2 2s are 4 and minus 1 of sign. 5x, 5 into x, okay. This 5 cannot be split because 5 is a odd number, or we can tell it as a prime number. 4, 2 into 2 into x, okay. Now, moving on to question number 5. Identify the monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now, ar square plus ar. So, it is being known as my binomial. Binomial means 2 terms. Now, 3x cube, x square, y cube, z. It is my monomial. And ar cube plus bx plus c is known as a trinomial because it is having a 3 terms. Now, from the algebraic expression, 2 terms are being given. 7, 8p raised to 8p upon 3, 7 cube. 8p upon 3 and 7 cube. 7 is having nothing sign, means plus sign. So, I can write it as 8p upon 3 plus 7 cube. So, I have converted 2 terms into as one proper term. Now, over here 5a, 7b and minus a. So, I have to convert this into the algebraic expression. So, how it is 5a plus 7b minus a. Now, find the coefficient. Coefficient means what? The number which is being connected to the term. A is a term and number which is being connected to that term. Now, over here 2 is my coefficient, a is my term, so 3 upon 4 is my coefficient. Now, 8 upon 11 is also a number, but is there any term over here? No, so it cannot be a coefficient. Now, moving on to the next question, p square into q. Now, p square q, number is not there, yes, a number is there, that is a number 1 is there. So, what is my coefficient over here? 1, p square, p q square, number is there over there, yes, 7. Over here in the third term, yes, the number is there, it is the 4 which will be attached to the p q square. Now, moving on to the fourth term, 11 q square, 11 is being attached to a number. Now, moving on to the like and the unlike terms. What is meaning of the like term? Like term means your term should be same in the 2 numbers. So, over here minus 8x, 7 upon 3 x. 2 terms are same over here. So, it is known as my like terms. Now, over here 9 ABC. My term is over here ABC. In my second question it is AB. And in the third it is the AC. So, are they 3 of them like? No. So, we can call as a unlike term. Now, 6p square q, 6p square q, p square q it is, and it is over here p q square. So, are they same? No. So, it is being known as the unlike term. Okay. Now, moving on to the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient means same as like a coefficient. You have to find over here which are the numerical, means numbers which are being attached to the terms. Now, over here x cube, which is number attached? Nothing there, means what? 1. So, 1 is my coefficient over here. 5y. So, 5 is my coefficient. 2x square. 2 is my coefficient. Minus 5 z cube. Minus 5. The sign which will be attached to the number. So, minus 5 is my coefficient. Over here also minus 8 and minus 7, which is being constant. It in the question coefficient, don't take the constant term, but in the numerical coefficient you have to take the constant term also. Okay, understood over here? Thank you.